In today's video, I'll show you how to create TikTok voiceovers using ElevenLabs and turn your script into a natural-sounding AI narration. If you're new to AI voiceovers, don't worry. The process is quick, beginner-friendly, and only takes a few simple steps. First, sign into your ElevenLabs account and go to the Text-to-Speech section. This is where you'll create your voiceover. Next, write or paste the script you want to use for your TikTok video. Since TikTok videos are usually short, keep your script clear, engaging, and easy to follow. Now choose a voice from the available voice library. You can preview different voices to find one that best matches the style and mood of your content. Before generating the audio, check your script for spelling and punctuation. Proper formatting helps the AI produce smoother and more natural speech. Once everything is ready, click the Generate button. ElevenLabs will convert your text into a realistic voiceover within a few moments. After the audio is generated, play it back and make sure it sounds the way you want. If needed, edit the script or try a different voice.
Welcome back to this video.
Again. When you're happy with the result, download the voiceover file and import it into your video editor. Then sync it with your clips, captions, and effects before publishing your TikTok. Experiment with different voices and writing styles to discover what works best for your content and keeps viewers engaged. And that's how you create TikTok voiceovers with ElevenLabs. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.